Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React.js. Today we are going to learn about the React.js Firebase chat using the Firebase. And those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to log in with the Firebase, that is Google sign in. So here we have the Firebase sign in of the Google. So now I'm logged in. Okay, and here we have a login and logout. That means profile is already created on the Firebase, right? Same time I'm going to log in with another account here. So I'm going to log in it over here. So I'm logged in here also. Okay, so I'm going to chat between animal. I'm logged in with the animal account, and there is a stack that I want to chat. So I'm going to click on it, and hello world. If I'm going to add it over here, can see that I'm sending the chat. Now you can see that here the animal has received the hello world hi. Now you can see that hi is there. Test. Now you can see that test is here. So we are going to manage these things using the Firebase, and you can see that simultaneously chat is taking place over the two simultaneously users. Okay, so whenever you have the something logged in with another account, the same profile chat can be occurred. So if I go and just log out with this one here, I'm going to log out with this profile and logged in with another one. Let's have a look on that. There's a logout. Okay, so I'm going to switch the profile over here. So I'm going to use this profile. Okay, and I'm going to add localhost 3000. Okay, so I'm going to log in with this account, and here I'm going to log in with this account. Now you can see the third user. I'm logged in with this one, animal and stack. Those two users are there, and on another tab, the one of the user is there, relax mind. So I'm going to chat with this hello, and now you can see that hello is there. And here I'm going to add with this one. So you can see that I'm chatting with the animal world. So let me go and just select the animal world. So this is the animal world, I guess. Okay, and this is the animal world. I'm going to chatting with the relaxed mind, right? So hello, how are you? Okay, so here I'm going to check hello, how are you. Here I'm going to send to the which user I'm logged in over here. So it's animal world. So I'm going to choose the animal world of from here. So here we have the animal world, right? No, this is not that one. So let's go and just see which user we have. No, this is the different profile. So I'm just quitting it. And so this is the relax mind profile. So this is the animal world, which is messaging hello, how are you. I'm just messaging him hi, and you can see that hi message is there because I'm animal world, right? So KKKK. So you can see, and anything for the message you can see this is message received. So this is how the simultaneously chat will take place when we have this one. Okay, so how to frame such like of things in the React.js. If you want this full tutorial, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.